So I was one of those that hated and resisted social media. I just thought, okay, I'm going to get on social media for fun, and all of that. And just, as many of you know, Diana and I have been friends for years. I've always just followed her and loved everything that she's been doing. And, we connected, and I just really enjoyed what I'm just going to tell you, 2020 could have been really crappy for me. It really could have been, because of what happened with COVID. And I have to say, the tools and everything that I did by learning from Diana helped me. 2020 was a better year for me than 2019 was. So, and here's the deal. I learned the biggest value, I think, that came out, and why I'm like Amanda. I keep enrolling, and I'm in her program because of the results I've gotten. But the biggest thing is how she taught me to work with a VA meaning virtual assistant. I know we like to use acronyms, so virtual assistant. And we have this synergy with my VA and I, and she's not me, but she helps me get the things done. So she helps me schedule. She puts together all of my social media based on what my goals are. And as you're going to learn more about the editorial calendar, I've learned that. But the biggest thing recently too, what Diana helped me with, is that I wasn't quite computing like who I was talking with, even though I've heard her say it a million times. And she helped me really refine that. And I have to say, now I'm getting a lot more traction. I'm getting referrals. Google My Business is coming up higher. People are finding me on Google, which never happened before. So I just love what she's about, and I've learned so much. So I'll continue to work with her.